Welcome to 1383 Copeland Falls Road in Severance. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home has all the bells and whistles that your family could wish for. It is just priced at $550,000. You step into a home which is bright and has open floor plan featuring fresh paint and gorgeous floors. Now, the main level flows right into a wonderful kitchen complete with a center island and plenty of counter space. The space was recently upgraded to give it a more modern and airy style. Now, as we head upstairs, you'll find a spacious primary suite with a private double vanity bath. The level also features 3 more bright bedrooms, a full guest bath, and a super convenient laundry room. Heading downstairs, you will love the huge, fully furnished walkout basement. It offers a massive living area, another guest bedroom, and direct access to outside. Now, step out back to your fully fenced yard, relax on the upper deck and lower patio, and take those amazing clear views out of your front range mountains. We invite you to come see it all at our open house this Saturday, June 27th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Call Sasha Bannister with eXp Realty today, and all her contact details will be in the caption. Bye!